how to remove limitations or how to remove restrictions on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vinvesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove limitations on Telegram. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to do so, you'll have to head into your browser, and on browser you want to head into telegram.com. You want to simply type in telegram.com or telegram web, and you can log into your account on the telegram web here. Once you're logged in on the webogram or the telegram web, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner and then head into settings. Once on settings, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the option that says privacy and security. You want to tap on it. Now here, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the sensitive content option, and you can see disable filtering. You want to simply make sure that the check mark is on right there. Display sensitive media and public channels on all your Telegram devices, and your limitations will be removed. So this way you can remove limitations on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.